got this 2012 Mazda CX-9. The end is broke off the shifter cable at the tranny. Calls for 5.1 hours. Says you got to remove the dashboard, the HVAC box, all that crap. I ain't doing it. I'm pulling it out in less than an hour and replacing it. You want to see how? Watch till the end. If you find this useful, hit the like button. You want to see more like it? Hit the subscribe button. You can always change your mind. I appreciate it. It's the easiest, cheapest way to support my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to get straight to it. Here you go. Tell you how I did it. So right there is your shifter cable. That's the new one in place. I told you that clip wasn't factory, but cable goes back up into there. I pulled that out of the way. I got this fireproofing out of the way, and I swung this duct out of the way. It allows me enough room to get this nut off of either side. Once you get the nut off, the cable is pretty self-explanatory. Just got to reach up in there with some fingers so you can pop the cable off. But just took this side panel off, glove box out, and you're able to get to those nuts. I did this on either side. Here's the other side. You can kind of see the bracket for the cable in there. That's where the cable comes through. It calls for you to take the whole HVAC unit out, but you really don't need to. I just squeezed it out through there. I was able to get my nut off, and then we're in good shape. So I took this piece off and that piece, and then just pulled the carpet back, and I'm able to get in there. That's what the factory clip looks like. And it made it easier to put this little metal piece onto the cable, then slide it into the bracket. Then I put my shifter in park. Then I pop my cable on and set the adjustment. Alright, that's popped on. Push that in. And then lock that down. Make sure to put your air duct back on. And that fireproofing.
carpet back. Tucks under there.
All right, this side's back together. Looks like I got that cable changed in an hour. A lot better than 5.1. I didn't have to pull the dashboard, center cluster, the center console, none of that. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate the support. Hit the like button if you found this video useful. Subscribe if you want to see more. Comment if you have any questions. I'll get back to you. If you want to see more videos from me, I got 2 right here you can check out.